This is Forge for Speed.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix the infamous power window issue and help you understand how the mechanism works when you toggle the power window switch.
Before we start, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when a new video is uploaded.
Let's start by removing the door trim. Using a flat head screwdriver, carefully remove the cap covering two screws. Next, remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once done, using your hand, separate the door trim by pulling it off the door. It might take some force if this is your first time pulling it off. If any clips break upon removal, not to worry, just purchase a replacement online at a low cost. Next, disconnect the wiring going from the power window switch to the electric motor.
One eternity later.
Now gently pull off the plastic sheet to expose the door internals. A peek inside the door shows that the steel cable has snapped, therefore no longer able to move the window up or down. This is the plastic holder that is secured to the glass window and moves the window by sliding up or down the frame. Now by removing two screws, you can detach the frame from the glass panel. Then secure it with tape to avoid the glass from falling down and shattering. Next, to remove the mechanism from the door, unscrew 4 screws holding the sliding frame to the door and another 3 screws holding the electric motor in place. This is a better look on how the mechanism works. The glass panel is secured to the moving white plastic piece that slides up and down depending on the rotation direction of the electric motor. Here, you can see that the cable has snapped due to rust and the motor pulley is also jammed due to rust. Now let's dismantle the old frame from the electric motor by removing 3 screws. With the jam pulley removed, test the electric motor before fitting it onto the new power window frame. My power window motor was working perfectly fine, hence do not need to be replaced. Now do a check to make sure that the new power window frame is identical to the old one removed before fitting the motor onto it. To prevent rust from occurring again, apply a generous amount of grease on the cable and it also helps lubricate moving parts. This simple step will prolong the life of the power window mechanism. Now let's install the motor onto the new power window frame. Now the new power window mechanism is ready to be fitted onto the door. Screw on the sliding frame, next fit the electric motor, and then finally secure the glass to the sliding bracket. Test the power window's movement by moving it fully up and fully down few times to make sure it moves smoothly. Apply more grease where necessary. Finally, stick back the plastic sheet and put on the door trim. Job done.